Hello guys, today I will show you guys how to factor a trinomial with negative c or factoring quadratic with negative c. Look at this example, 6x squared minus ax minus 8. Before I follow all the rules right here, I will factor out the GCF of the problem if there's one. So finding the GCF of the problem by looking at the coefficient first, 6, 8, and 8. So what number go into all of these numbers? That is 2. So I'm going to put 2 out of this trinomial. So 6, I pull out 2. I have 3 left. Okay, so look at the first term. If I want to find the remaining coefficient, I will use division. So 6 divided by 2 give me 3. And the first term has x squared. I didn't pull out anything related to x, so I rewrite x squared. Then second term, minus 8, 8, I pull out 2, then I will have 4 left. So 8 divided by 2 give me 4x, because second term has x as well. Minus last one, 8, pull out 2, I have 4 left. So this trinomial become 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 and times 2 outside. So when we factor out the GCF, our problem becomes a smaller problem, or another way to say we'll have a smaller coefficients. It's going to help you to find the factors faster, all right? So focus on the trinomial inside of the parenthesis. I will write the final product with the signs opposite. My bad. This should be opposite sign. When we have C is negative, the final product or the final factors will have opposite side. And then I put x's right here. Then next, I need to figure out the numbers go in to this parenthesis. So I will have to rewrite the problem with coefficient of 1. So right here, if I want to rewrite this problem with the coefficient of 1, I will kick the number 3 to the back. That means I will take 3 times 4 to rewrite the problem. So I have x squared minus 4x minus 12. Okay, so here I would like you guys just focusing on this one, this trinomial right here. So in order to figure out the numbers go inside the parenthesis, I have to factor out the last number, which is c. So I will factor it out. 12 equals 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and then 4 times 3, 6 times 2, 12 times 1. We're just repeating those factors, so we don't need to. And then next, I will subtract the factors, okay? In the other video, when we have positive c, we add the factors. But if c is negative, we always subtract the factors. So when I say subtract the factors, I will take the big number, subtract a small number. 12 minus 1 give me 11. 6 minus 4 give me 6 minus 2 give me 4. 4 minus 3 give me 1. So look at these 3 numbers. I see that 4 right here is matching with the middle number I have. That means I will use 2 and 6 to put in the parenthesis. So, but I need to know which number go with plus sign, which number go with the minus sign. It says the bigger number goes with the sign of B. Okay, so right here, B is minus. Okay, so I'm gonna focus on minus right here. Then I will put the bigger number go with minus 2 and 6. 6 is a bigger number, so it should go with minus 6. And 2 gonna go with plus. Then one last step, I need to divide each number right here by a, because original problem, my coefficient, my a is not 1, it's not 1, it is 3 from here. So I divide it by 3, then I try to simplify each fraction. So x plus 2 divided by 3, I cannot simplify this one. So I need to get rid of the fraction. So I kick the number 3 up front. It becomes 3x plus 2. And then 6 divided by 3, I'm able to simplify this one. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I rewrite the x minus 2. Then rewrite the 2 originally. So my final answer is this. We will try another problem with negative c. Okay, so this problem, 6x squared plus 14x minus 12, c is negative number. So I will factor out the GCF if there is one. 6, 14, and 12. 2 is the biggest number going into all this number. So I will factor out 2. So let me rewrite the problem. 6x squared plus 14x minus 12. I will factor out 2. So I put 2 out of the trinomial. So 6 divided by 2 give me 3 left. So 3x squared for the first term. Then second term, 14x. I have 14. I pull out 2. Give me 7 left, but it should be 7x because second term has x. Then last one, minus, I have 12. I pull out 2, so I have 6 left. Then look at this trinomial. C is negative. That means the final product, the final answer should have opposite side. Then I will rewrite this problem with the coefficient of 1. So kick the number 3 to the back to rewrite the problem to stay the same. The 2 that outside parentheses stay the same. So I rewrite x squared plus 7x. 3 minus 6 give me 18. So from here, I will factor 18. So factor 18, 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Then next, I will subtract the factors. Again, negative c, we always subtract the factors. So I take 18 minus 1, give me 17. 9 minus 2 give me 7. 6 minus 3 give me 3. Then the numbers I will use for the factors gonna be 2 and 9 because these subtract from each other and up to 7. But I need to decide that the bigger number go with the sign of B. So 2 and 9, 9 is bigger number. And the sign of B is plus. That means 9 gonna go with plus side. So x plus 9 and then x minus 2. Last step, I will divide each number I just find out by a. My a in this problem is 3. Then try to simplify each fraction. 9 divided by 3 it is 3. So x plus 3. Now this factor 2 over 3. I cannot simplify this fraction, so I have to get rid of the fraction by kick the number up to the front. So it becomes 3x minus 2. And then I bring down the 2 to GCF to have the final answer.